Hi everyone, welcome to Growth Learners YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about the 6 different objectives that you can select while running a ad campaign on Facebook and Instagram. We will understand what are these 6 objectives and when to use which objective, because many marketers, especially new digital marketers, face this question that which objective should I select and also how much budget should I allocate to each objective. So let's understand these objectives in detail. When you are in your Ads Manager account and you click on Create Campaign, you get this window. So there are 6 objectives here: awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, and sales. So let's first understand what is the goal of selecting an objective. As you can see here, it's written your campaign objective is the business goal you hope to achieve by running your ads. Hover over each one for more information. So let's look at each objective one by one. First one is awareness. So if we select awareness objective, we can see here what it says is show your ads to people who are most likely to remember them. Now awareness is good for reach, which is reach the maximum number of people who may be interested in your brand. Second is brand awareness, reach people who are more likely to remember your brand. Video views, reach people who are more likely to watch your video. And the fourth step is store location awareness, reach people using the physical location for your business, organization, or set of stores. So basically, if your objective is to create awareness about your brand, right? You want to reach new audience who don't know about your brand, or maybe who little bit know about your brand, but you want to establish that brand awareness in their minds, then you should select the brand awareness objective. This objective is very good if you want to reach a wider set of audience. So basically, if you are targeting for any of these 4 goals, then you should select brand awareness as the objective of your Facebook ad campaign. This objective will help you get maximum reach for your campaign. So it is very similar to a newspaper or an outdoor hoarding kind of a campaign where your ad will be seen by maximum number of people. And it is very, very important for any new brand, or even if you are doing any new product launch, then also you should use awareness campaign, which will help you achieve these first 2 goals, reach and brand awareness. Also, if you have uploaded a video and you want more and more people to watch that video, again, you should select the brand awareness objective as we can see here. And the last one is if you have a physical store, then also you should use awareness objective so that more and more people are aware about the location of your stores. Okay, so this is about the awareness objective. What I believe is, based on my experience, you should always allocate some percentage of your campaign budgets to awareness objective, because it helps you to identify new people and it helps you to reach to a very wider audience. So mostly I allocate around 20 to 30% of my budgets to awareness campaign. Moving to the next objective, which is traffic. Now when you should use a traffic campaign, it's very clearly written here: send people to a destination such as your website, app, Instagram profile, or Facebook event. So when you want to send people to a destination, then you should use traffic campaign. It is good for link clicks. Get people to click on a link to your website, app, or Facebook event. It is also good for landing page views. Get people to view content on your landing page. Again, if you want to send people to Messenger or WhatsApp to start a conversation with you, then also you should use a traffic campaign. For instance, if you are running an ad, if you are showing your product or service and you want to land people on your WhatsApp account to directly chat with you if they want to inquire about your product or service, then you should use a traffic campaign, because people will click on your call to action button and they will directly land on your WhatsApp and can easily chat with your sales team. Another point is if you want people who are interested in your business to call you directly. So similar to the last WhatsApp example, if you want people directly to call you after seeing your ad, then again you should use a traffic campaign. And last one is Instagram profile visits. So if you want to get more followers on your Instagram channel, then also you can use traffic objective, because when people will see your ad, they will click on your call to action button and they can directly land on your Instagram profile. Then what will happen is they will scroll your profile, and if they are interested in your content, they are very likely to follow your Instagram handle. So these are the scenarios when you should use a traffic campaign. So just to summarize, if you have created an external platform where you want to take your audience, for example, your website, app, WhatsApp account, or like I said, Instagram profile, then you should use the traffic objective. So when you use the traffic objective, your ads will be shown to those kind of people who are very likely to click on a call to action button and land on an external website or app. Hence, you should use this objective when you are trying to find new audience for your business, because they will see your ad creative, click on your call to action button and land on your platform, where you will be able to tell them more about your products or services. And along with that, even if they don't buy your services in the first stage, using the power of Facebook Pixel and cookies, you will be able to track that audience and retarget them with your other campaigns. Hence, I would suggest that you should again allocate at least some budget to a traffic campaign and get more and more people on your website or app or any other platform that you want to promote. Now moving to the next objective, which is engagement. You select the engagement objective when you're trying to get more messages from your audience, or even video views, or post engagement, page likes and event responses. So this objective is good when you want people to start a conversation with you on Messenger, Instagram or WhatsApp. Now if you notice here, this is very similar to the traffic campaign also, because even traffic campaign was sending your audience to your WhatsApp account. So you will always observe some bit of overlap between the different campaign objectives, but it is fine. If your objective is to send people to WhatsApp, then you can either select the traffic objective or you can select a engagement objective. Both are very similar. So this is good for Messenger, Instagram and WhatsApp conversations. If you want your audience to start conversations with you on these platforms, you can select engagement objective. It is also good for video views. So reach people who are more likely to view your video. Post engagement. If you want more likes, shares, comments on your post, then you should definitely select the engagement objective. You will very clearly see this difference. For instance, if you allocate $100 to a brand awareness campaign and $100 to an engagement campaign, the number of likes and comments which you will receive in engagement objective will be very, very high compared to a brand awareness objective. Because when you select the engagement objective, your ads will be shown to those kind of audience who are more likely to engage with the content. For example, like a post, comment on a post, etc. And the last use case is conversions. So if you want to get people to view your content and then contact your business, add your product to a wish list or take another action on your website or app, then also you can use engagement objective. Now I believe you would have noticed that there is a overlap between different objectives. For instance, even with the awareness objective, we were able to achieve the video views goal, and in the engagement objective also, you are achieving the video views goal. So this overlap will always be there and no need to think much about this. You can select any of the objectives if you have these kind of goals. So for video views, you can go with a brand awareness objective also or engagement objective also. That's completely fine. Similarly, if you want people to engage with you on WhatsApp, you can use a engagement objective as we can see here, or you can also use a traffic objective like we saw here. However, there are few goals which are unique to every objective. Like I said, if you want to achieve post engagement, then you should definitely select the engagement objective. Or if you want more and more people to see your ad, then you definitely have to select the awareness objective because it will give you more reach and brand awareness. So I hope this is clear. Now let's move to the next objective, which is leads. So leads is pretty much very clear. If you want to generate more and more leads for your business, which later can be contacted by your sales team, then you should select this objective. As we can see here, it is good for collecting leads for your business or brand. You can collect those leads directly through instant forms. Instant forms are nothing but basically a form which opens directly in Facebook or Instagram itself. So if your audience see your ad on Facebook or Instagram, they can directly click on a call to action button and they can submit their details there itself. No need to land on an external website or app. So instant form is a good option to generate high volume of leads. You can also generate leads on Messenger or Instagram. So find people who are willing to share their contact information and other details through chat. So Meta will find those kind of audience if you select this objective. Thirdly, again, conversion. Get people to share their contact information, complete a registration form, submit an application or take other action on your website or app. So like I said, either you can use the instant form option where they can directly fill the details in Facebook and Instagram ecosystem, or you can take people to your website or app where they will fill their details. And the fourth option is calls. Get people who may be interested in your business to call you. Again, you will observe that calling objective was there in the traffic campaign as well, right? We can see here it is there, and it is also there in the leads objective. So you can select any of these objectives if you're looking for more calls from your customers. However, if you want leads, like if you want people to submit their details to be called later by your sales team, then you should select the leads objective only. Moving to the next objective, it is app promotion. Again, pretty clear. Find new people who are likely to install your app and continue using it. So this is pretty much clear. If you want to promote your app, you should use the app promotion objective. And the last objective is sales. Find people who are likely to purchase your product or services. So if you are running your ads with this goal, then you should definitely select the sales objective, because it will show your ads to those kind of people who are not only likely to land on a website or app and explore your product or services, but also very, very likely to make a purchase as well. So basically we have understood about all the 6 objectives. What I would suggest is your campaign strategy should be a mix of these objectives. You should definitely run an awareness campaign because you want to reach new audience as well, and you want to create awareness among new audience. So you should allocate some percentage of your budget to awareness campaign. Then you should also use a traffic objective. I generally allocate again around 20 to 30% of my budget to traffic objective, because with this objective I can land people to my website or app, and then even if they don't buy at the first stage, I can retarget these people using the power of Facebook pixel and cookies and move them from the awareness stage to the consideration stage. Engagement is good. If you have these kind of objectives, you want more likes and comments on your Instagram posts, Facebook page, etc., then you should use this objective. Otherwise it is not needed. Leads again is a very important objective. If you have a sales team who can reach out to the potential customers later, then you should use leads as an objective. App promotion is again very clear. If you have an app, then you have to use this objective. Otherwise you can leave it. And then sales. So if you are selling a product or service, then definitely you should use the sales objective. So you should distribute your budgets accordingly, and there are no hard and fast rule basically how much budget to allocate to awareness, how much to traffic, and how much to sales. You should keep testing what is working for you, and once you start seeing good results, then you should stick to that allocation. So I hope guys this video was useful for you to understand what are the 6 objectives of a Facebook ads campaign and how you can use these objectives to run successful campaigns. If you found this video useful, then please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.